Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina, and today I wanted to show you how I properly take out my box braids, and I'm also going to do a before and after like length check. I have some pictures of before what my hair looked like before I put the box braids in, and then I'm going to do a length check or show like a side by side of how much hair I've grown and if my hair has gotten thicker in the last 5 weeks. So I've had these up for about 5 weeks now, and it is time for them to come out. I have a lot of new growth. I feel like I have almost an inch of new growth, but we shall see towards the end of the video when I do the length check. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. And everything that I used in this video, I will be leaving it in the description box, so you want to make sure you are checking the description box also. Alright, so let's just get right on in to the takedown of these braids. But before I get started, I just want to let you know, you do not want to go in taking out your braids or your protective style without, you don't have to drench your hair, but you want to give it a little bit of moisture because you do not want to be messing with your hair while it's dry. All right, so I have mixed together in this spray bottle some conditioner, water, and olive oil. Okay, so let's talk about the current state of my hair right now. Right now it is a little dry. My scalp is itching. This is how I know it's time for it to come out. But most of all, I got some good new growth, probably about, so I think that was maybe about an inch or a little bit less than an inch, but I will be doing that length check towards the end of the video so I can know for sure. But just by eyeballing it, I feel like it's about an inch. And I know I have a lot of product buildup at the base of my hair, so that's why you want to make sure that you are not taking down your hair without some type of moisture to it, so it would be easier for you to like take apart those pieces where debris and dirt gathered, and because you don't want to take a comb and just start combing through that. So what I like to do is put water, conditioner, and a little olive oil in a spray bottle, and then I go in and spray the roots of my hair. And then I bring it down just a little bit, just pretty much where my hair ends. Alright, so I just went on ahead and went off camera and took down the back of my hair. And I just put them all in these little, mid-sized twists. What I did before the twist is pretty much did a little detangling and did a little bit of getting the shed hair out of my hair, so it won't just be one big old bald mess when I'm taking my hair down. And so I just want to make sure that I get all the shed hair and all the knots that's at the base of the start of the braid, and just make sure that when it's time for me to wash my hair and get everything out, I'm not going to have any tangles, any split ends, or anything like that. So now I just came back on just to show you what I actually do to make sure that I'm getting all of the debris out of my hair, all the gunk and things like that, and pretty much getting the shed hair out of my hair and twisting it back up. So like I said, I did the back already, as you can see. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this side here, and yeah, let's just get started. I'll show you. So I like to put some to the side so I can just work on a couple at one time. Listen, when you are taking out your protective style, you want to be delicate, okay? Your hair is already going through a state of shock because you hadn't been doing anything to it. So you want to just be gentle, you want to be babying it, and that's why you want to make sure that you have your concoction here, like I said earlier. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I take these braids out. Spray at the base. I like to spray at the base and then a little bit down the braid, just pretty much as far as my hair go. And then I do cut it because I don't want to be starting it from the bottom. But I do not cut, I don't guess where my hair is, right? All I do, I know my hair is not down towards this end. So the only thing I do is cut off the smaller, the thinnest part. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that way down here. And then I just start unraveling. And it should be an easy process. If you didn't have any issues putting in the knotless braids, you really shouldn't have any issue taking it down. And you know what I noticed with taking out the other braids in the back is that I didn't have that much hair shed. I didn't have that much hair shedding, considering I've had my hair up for 5 weeks. And the average person with a healthy head of hair sheds 100 to 150, from 100 to 150 strands of hair from the, from the root per day. And if I've had my braids up for 5 weeks now, and I'm going to show you how much shed hair that I have accumulated, and you're going to be surprised. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I did not lose much hair. If you've been watching my videos, if you watched the last video, you probably already know what I'm going to say. Alright, so once you get up to the top, you're going to notice that the braids that you put in, the hair that you put in, just going to start, just pretty much slide right on out. It's right here. Discard that, and then you want to get up in there. Let me show you. You see that? And you just want to gently remove the hair, the buildup and the gunk. As you can see, it's removed. This is what the gunk looks like. But you want to make sure you're getting that out. So, just got that out. I like to go through it just to gently slide your fingers through it, through your hair, to get the shed hair. It should be real easy to take the shed hair out like that. So now I'm about to just go ahead and finish taking out these braids. As you can see, I got a lot of new growth, and there is the gunk. The gunk is right there. So, spray to loosen it. And then you want to just go in and easily separate it. Oh, I got a lot of gray hair. I've had serious breakage at the top of my hair because in the past, my protective style of choice was a ponytail or a high ponytail or ponytail at the top with fake hair at the top. You know, just always pulling my hair in the middle of my head and pulling it back, and it just broke off. And it was gradually. It didn't just break off all at one time, right? I didn't even notice it until I started wearing wash and goes. And then I realized, wait a second, why is my hair so much shorter at the top? Yeah, those high buns and those low buns, pulling them so tight, gelling it to the gods, like gelling it and snatching it. It's just not good for your hair. It's just not. Especially if you have fine hair, low density hair, or medium density hair like myself. You do not want to, one, keep protective styles in your hair a long time. And two, you do not want to be slicking your hair down so much when your hair is fine. You can get your hair slicked down really nice with fine hair with just a few tips. Alright, so I've taken everything down and this is what I'm left with. My hair feels really good. However, it is very dirty. Very, very dirty. But I did want to show you guys the shed hair that I got from 5 weeks of a protective style. This is all of the shed hair that I shedded. And it's not dense. It is not a lot of hair, considering I've had my hair up for 5 weeks, like I said. Alright, so I did not get that much shed hair, and let me tell you why. The reason why I didn't get a lot of shed hair is because before I put the braids up, before I put the box braids in, I did a T-rinse. And about 3 weeks later, after the braids have been in, I washed and conditioned my hair. But within that wash, I also did another T-rinse. And T-rinses help you stop shed hair. I did a video on my channel before about T-rinses. Go check it out. Very informative. But you do want to like incorporate a T-rinse in your hair care regimen when you are, if you have excessive hair shedding, and to kind of combat the hair shedding when your hair is in a protective style. So yeah, I like the results. I like the way my hair feels, so I know that I took care of my hair while in this protective style. One way you can know if you took good care of your hair is how your hair feels after you have taken out all of the braids or taking out your protective style. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and do my ultimate hair care wash day routine, and I will be right back. If you want to see what I'm doing or see what I do as far as my ultimate wash day routine is concerned, I'll go ahead and leave this video in the description box and in the card so you can go over there and check that out. And if you want to know how I maintained my hair while in the box braids, you can go to the last video that I just did. I gave you a step-by-step detailed tutorial on what I do and how I maintain my hair under or in a protective style. Alright, so let me go ahead and do my wash day routine, and I will be right back with my hair washed, deep conditioned, and I am going to blow my hair out because I am about to go ahead and put in another protective style. But before I put the protective style in, I am going to do a length check. I'll show you a before and after just 5 weeks of having my hair in a protective style. And let's see if the T-rinse worked, if my hair got fuller, and if it retained the length. Okay? So I will be right back in just a moment. Alright, so I am back. And it is the next day. So now my hair is blow dried, it's deep conditioned. Let me tell you, my hair is really in a really good, healthy state. The protective style is doing my hair wonders, wonders, wonders. Me also doing scalp massages every night, or every other night, with some oils that I use. And I know I'm going to get some questions about this, so before I do the lymph check, I want to just really quick tell you my OG oils that I use to massage my scalp, and then 2 new ones that I have picked up and that I'm going to start using. One of them I've already started yesterday. And really quick, I've talked about this before. It is the Mael Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I also use Purity Biotin Hair Serum. And of course, gotta put some Jamaican black castor oil in there. I don't use this every day, but I do massage my scalp with this every other day. Now, really quick, the 2 new ones that I have picked up, I have heard a lot of good reviews over the years about this one particular one. It is the Wild Growth Hair Oil. I've started using this, picked me up some of this, started using this, and I put some on my scalp yesterday, and my hair feels good. My hair feels really good. And the more I picked this up, this aromatherapy, it's an essential oil, but it's for your hair and your skin. It's the rosemary essential oil. It has actual rosemary seeds in there, as you can see, rosemary leaves in there. So I'm excited to start using this. It looks like it's going to be very lightweight. It says it has argan oil, essential oil, jojoba, vitamin E, safflower oil, and rosemary oil. So those are the oils that I use throughout the week. And so my hair is all prepared to go back into a protective style, and I am going to be doing more feed-in box braids, but I am going to do a different color. So you want to check out my Instagram. If you're not following me, you want to check out my Instagram, because that's where I'm going to actually post the hairstyle. Alright, so let's move right along. Alright, so now I'm going to do a lymph check, but this is not going to be your normal lymph check where, you know, I have a measuring tape. I had one, but I can't find it. I don't know where it is. So what I'm going to do is put a picture of what my hair looked like 5 weeks ago. I'm going to put that here, and then you can compare it to what my hair looks like now. I'm going to say it probably grew, it's down to, let's see, almost to my bra strap. And so I'm going to say it probably grew about maybe almost an inch in 5 weeks. And normally you grow about a half an inch a month. So I'm a little bit ahead of the game. So I feel that these protective styles is going to work for me as long as I'm not putting a lot of strain on my hair, making sure that I'm keeping my hair moisturized and my scalp oiled. I think that's going to be a good regimen for me, helping my hair grow, retain the length, and get thicker. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, again, please leave them in the comment section. Check out the description box, because I am going to put all the information, all the products that I use in the description box, just in case you want to pick them up. And also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on those notification bells, and like this video. And as always, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Everything you need.